Hey, welcome to our channel Craftylity. Are you ready to get crafty this new year? In this video, we are going to show how to make your own 2023 calendar using papercraft. It is a fun and easy way to add a personal touch to your office or home. So let's get started.
First, we will create a base for the calendar, and for that I am using a cardboard circle 8 inches in diameter. Take a piece of paper and keep the circle on it. Trace the circle leaving a 2 to 3 centimeters margin. Now wrap the cardboard with this paper. After wrapping the cardboard or MDF circle cutout with your chosen paper, take your text stamp and ink pad. Press the stamp onto the ink pad to apply ink to the stamp. Carefully align the stamp on the chosen location of your base, and press down firmly to stamp the text onto the paper. Repeat this process to add more text or design elements. Let the ink dry for a few minutes before moving on to the next step. Now take flower cut dies and die cutting machine, and if you don't have one, you can use scissors to cut the flowers. You can find the flower template in my Pinterest page. The link of the template is shared in the description box. Place the paper on the cutting plate and then the flower dies on the paper. Place another cutting plate over it and run it through the die cutting machine. If you are cutting the flowers by hand using scissors, carefully cut out the flower shapes from your paper. Creating flowers using multiple sizes of petals is a great way to add dimension and realism to your flower. I am using 2 extra large, 2 large, 1 medium, and 1 small size petals. Place the petals on a sponge. Spray water on the petals to dampen them. Use tissue paper to soak up any excess water from the petals. Now, we can start shaping and forming the flower. For this, I am using Groove Golf medium-sized tool to give realistic look to the flowers. It's time to stick all the petals together using glue. Adding glitter to the edges of the petals and the center of the flowers is a great way to add a touch of sparkle and shine to your calendar. Once you have formed and shaped your flower, take some glue and apply it along the edges of the petals in the center of the flower. Sprinkle golden glitter over the areas where you applied the glue, making sure to cover the glue completely with glitter. Gently tap off any excess glitter and allow the glue to dry completely. Repeat the process if needed.
Similarly, I have created few more flowers and leaves using die cuts and punches. To create a calendar, I am using 9 by 9 cm cardstock. Mark 1 by 1 cm grid on it. Write the weeks and dates of January 2023. For hanging, I am sticking small jute rope on the back side of the circle. Stick small piece of paper on the rope for more sturdiness. It's time to arrange all the elements on the base. Start by sticking the small wooden clips on the base. Placing all the elements on the base before sticking them is a great way to make sure everything is arranged in the way you want it to be. This will allow you to visualize how everything will look together and make any necessary adjustments to the placement before committing to the final arrangement. Placing all the elements on the base before sticking them is a great way to make sure everything is arranged in the way you want it to be. Once you're satisfied with the placement, use glue to stick the elements to the base.